Alright, here we go. We finally have the iPhone 12 in the house, and in this video I'm going to unbox this and also give you guys an initial impressions on using this phone for quite some time now. So yeah, we'll just quickly unbox it, taking the plastic off of the box. One thing you can notice is that the box is pretty thin, because again, no adapter in the box. So that's what we get after paying 85,000. So yeah, we'll just quickly take the lid off, and oh my god, as you can see, the blue color looks really good. So if you're a fan of the blue color and if you want to basically distinguish yourself from the previous iPhones, you get the blue color and you won't regret your choice. We'll just quickly take the phone off of the box, and as you can see, the blue color is really good. That was so satisfying. And in the box again, we get nothing but a Type-C to Lightning cable, not the adapter. You have to buy that separately. So we get the cable itself, and then we have the Designed by Apple in California things, in which we have a couple of paperwork. So first things first is the SIM card ejector tool, then we have the Apple sticker, and then we have few paperworks. So that's all we get in the box. So I've got my iPhone all ready and all set up, and yeah, let's unbox the Apple Watch SE. So yeah, we have a strap over here, so just pull that real quick. There we go. And this is the box itself. So this is the very first Apple Watch that I've owned, and I think you have to just pull this up if I'm not wrong. There we go. And then we have the Apple Watch right over here. So we'll just quickly put this aside, and then we have two things under this. So the first one is the watch itself, and then we have the band. So first we'll take a look at the Apple Watch, and if I just pull this off, there we go. We have the Apple Watch, and it says Designed by Apple in California. We have few paperwork, which basically suggests or tells us what to do on the Apple Watch itself. Then we have the charging cable, which is right over here, with no adapter. So yeah, I have an adapter at home, so that's pretty cool. Then over here we have the watch itself. As you can see, looks so freaking delicate, and I got the 44mm because I thought the 42mm would look a bit smaller for me on my wrist, so I got the 44mm, and oh god, there we go, it looks so beautiful. And I have the basic silicone watch bands on this watch. I did not get the Solo Loop because that was pretty expensive here in India, so I thought I'll just probably get the normal regular band. So yeah, I'll just quickly set up everything and I'll be right back with the Apple Watch itself. So here we go. This is the Apple Watch setup as Apple Watch. I'm gonna put it on my left wrist, and yeah, I mean, this setup is going to be pretty boring, so I'll be right back once everything is set up. Okay, so now let's talk about the initial impressions on the iPhone 12 and the Apple Watch. So I'll begin with the iPhone 12 itself. Coming from the iPhone XR, I did not see any major changes except for the design and the color, but overall everything seems just as my iPhone XR, because the notch is the same, the overall design is the same. I have it in the case, is the reason why it feels more like a previous iPhone. If you take the case off, you'll basically feel the flat edges, and then you'll be able to tell the difference between it. But I'm not going to risk anything. I'm going to put it in a case, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is with the iPhone 12. So if you're coming from the iPhone 7 or 8, you will basically see the notice. But if you are coming from the iPhone 10 or above, you'll basically not see any difference at the front at least, but at the back you will basically see the difference. But then again, you only look at the front of the screen and not the back, so most of it will basically look familiar to the previous iPhone. But other than that, the performance has been really good. Again, the A14 chip is really good. With iOS 14 it works even better, so no complaints with the performance itself. Now coming on to the Apple Watch, this is my very first Apple Watch. Before this I used to own a smartwatch, but that was Android or Wear OS. So the Apple Watch performance for me, or the Apple Watch feel for me, has been really good. As you can see, it feels really good, and again it syncs a lot better with the iPhone than any other watch. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of this, and it actually feels really good. I was playing with a couple of features, like I changed the watch face and stuff like that, but there we go. This is the app itself. So you can basically change the layout to black or white. I prefer it black, but sometimes I like to put it to the white shade, because the white with the minimal border looks really good. And yeah, I again updated this to the latest 7.2, I think. Yeah, 7.0.2. And yeah, the experience has been really good. Now the only thing left is to finish or to complete all the circles and to share it with my friends and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use this Apple Watch to the fullest in the upcoming days. And yeah, if you guys want a full review on the Apple Watch or on the iPhone 12, again I'll be definitely making a review on the iPhone 12. But if you want a review of the Apple Watch, let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, for now that is pretty much it. These were my initial impressions. More things coming in the future on the Apple Watch as well as the iPhone. So yeah, for now that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.